Hello, 4th graders. Mrs. Nelson. We're going to be looking at supplementary angles now. We just got done looking at complementary. Complementary is 90 degrees. Supplementary is 180. So those are going to be also known as AKA, also known as straight angles. Those are straight angles. So those look like a line, a line, a line. Those are straight angles because there's no, they're 180 degrees. 180 degrees from this side to this side, 180 degrees. All right, so let's look at a supplementary angle. I'm going to draw one and I'm going to cut it. Okay, so now usually when you see these are always labeled A, B, C, and then D. Okay, so now again, you will write these as, and I'll ask you, find the angle of D, B, C. Okay, you're going to try to find that angle. So you're going to follow. Okay, I'm going to follow. I'm going to go A, B, D. That angle. Nope, that doesn't work. Okay, so if I went backwards, D, B, A, that angle. That doesn't work because it's going D, B, A, D, B, A, or A, B, D. Those don't work, not at all. Does not work, so we gotta get rid of that. So we're going to look at the angle of A, B, C, and that's the whole angle. That's ABC or CBA. You can go CBA or ABC, either direction. ABC or CBA. You can go forward or backward. That doesn't work either. Okay? That does not work either. It just doesn't work. So now I need to start at D, go to B, and then go to C, and then go to C, and then that's the angle that I'm looking at right here. So this is the angle that I'm looking at. Okay? So I would click on that angle. This is called, again, a supplementary angle. These supplement to 180 degrees. And then pretty soon you're going to be finding the missing angle. So they might say, hey, find the missing angle of DBC. Or find the missing angle of ABD. Or find the missing angle of ABC. You're going to find the missing angles. Questions? Concerns? See you in the next video.